Yan, si Rain, Spider-Man. Hello mga ka-Team Goblin. Nasa Brighton kami. Ito-try daw namin itong upside down na bahay. So, tignan nyo to. Let's go. Papasok na po kami. Parang nakakahilo nga sa loob. Parang matutumba. Ayan. Upside down.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do as many photos as you can. Like every different photo.
This is the second time.
Yeah, so when did you last come?
How cute.
Yeah, in the peak time. Everyone's coming every day. And then now it's quieter, so it's better.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone's busy. You know, even if you come back, unless you're leaving it for a long.
Tignan nyo ako ka-Team Goblin. Ito yung toilet nila. Yes.
Wait lang, guys.
Okay. Parang matutumba. Baliktad ka naman dyan. Yan, si Rain, Spider-Man.
Alright.
Spider-Woman. Ayan. Anong hinanda mong pagkain?
Do like this, you do like that. And then the other one there, yeah. Oh, you want like the picture? Do you want that picture?
Naka-video. Oo.
Tulog na.